Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and a binary. So one puzzle is left: the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, and that's they call it cipher block in Japanese, Suguru, and this one will be number 9417. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one is 11. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 20 digits. This one is 11, and it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Yeah, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? I see only one duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here one triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, this is the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra box, there quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. So the 2, the 3, and the 4 are left. Cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, and a 4. Well, we have a 2, 3, and a 4 here, and a 1 there, so this box should be definitely a 5 then. 2, 3, and a 4 with the 1 here. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Okay. More. Here we have also a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. The upside down. This T shape is upside down. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. More T shapes in this puzzle. Yeah, rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shapes. Oh, overlook this T shape, and now overlook this quadra box. Well, we have only one of this kind of shape. Well, let me continue with the T shape here. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's the 1 or 2 there. And this L-shaped quadra box, when you see an L-shaped quadra box, remember that the inside box of the quadra box L shape is always a 5. This should be a 5, okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one. How about the following shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. With more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, it's rotated, this one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box. So 2 and the 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be there. This box is connected with that box, so 4 and a 5. Well, it can be a 5 because it's a quadra box. Well, so it should be a 4 then. It's connected with that box, should be a 4. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Super, so 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Super, so 1. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 5. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 5 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. We need a 5 in this T-shaped area. I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 5 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, can it be here because we already have a 5 here, so not the solution, place the 5 there, the 5 should be here. Let me see. Well. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2, 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this can be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5, so 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. Well. 2, 4, and 3. Let me think. I think this box will be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. Yeah. 1 or 2. 1 and 2. Come on. No 1 here. 1. 2. Well, I'm stuck here. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here also. No, 3, 3, 3, 3. So here can be 3. 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I'm stuck here, I'm stuck. I need a 2 and I need a 3 here. 2, 3, 4. I need a 1 in this area. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 2. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. And this box is connected with that box, super, so 2 and 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I need a 2, need a 5. Yeah. 2, 4. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 4, need a 2. 2, 3, 4. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 2, need a 4. Need a 2, need a 4. Yeah. I need a 3. Yeah. Suppose this is a 1. I need a 1 here. So need this 2, need a 2 there. So this is also connected. 1, 2. So 3 could be here, could be there then. I'm really stuck here. 3, 3. I cannot place the 3 here, because if I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box will be definitely a 2. That box will be a 3. Is connected with that box will be so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this quarter box supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. Is connected with that box 1 and a 2. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4. Well, 3. Well, the 3 should be here. I cannot place the 1 here or a 2. And I need a 1. I need a 1 here or there. So I cannot place the 1 here. I cannot place the 2 here. So this box should be 3 or 4. Yeah. This one is a hard one. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 5 and a 3, 5 and a 3. Now we have a double 3 there. That means, oh, yeah, this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Quarter box. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, we go up. These 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this T-shaped area, supposed to be here. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 3 should be here. If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box, super, so 3, but we already have a 3 here, so not the solution, place the 3 there. The 3 should be supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4 in this T-shaped area. 1 and the 4 is connected with that box, super, so 1 and the 4. This one is also connected, 1 and a 4, and I need a 2 here or there. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. The only place left 2 should be here. Is connected with that box, so 2. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 4. I need a 1 here. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 is up here. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area, supposed to be here. I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. This one is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there, is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2, 3, 4. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4, and this quadra L shape supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra L shape for number 3. Alright, we go down. Here, 2 and a 5. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. And I've eliminated a 3. So the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated a 2. So the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again. Not a 3. Not a 4. Not a 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.